Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll show you how to easily connect your Instagram account to Notion using Zapier. By the end of this video, you'll be able to automatically share your Instagram posts or data straight into your Notion workspace, saving you tons of time and making your workflow smarter with almost zero effort. Let's dive in. First off, head to Zapier.com. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's free to get started. Once you're logged in, look for the big Create button near the top of your dashboard. Clicking this brings up the option to make a Zap. Now, Zaps are what Zapier calls their automations, and they're incredibly handy. Think of a Zap like a helpful robot that connects two apps and gets them talking to each other, so you don't have to do things manually. To keep things simple, use the search bar and type in Copilot Connect Instagram to Notion. Zapier gives you tons of ways to link apps, but for this demo, we'll stick with this suggested workflow so you can get set up quickly and see results right away. Once you select the suggested connection, Zapier will start to build your automation. This part may take a few seconds. Don't worry if you see the loading wheel spinning. It's just setting up the behind-the-scenes links. Next up are the actions. Think of actions as the steps or jobs that Zapier will perform for you. Here's where you'll need to connect your Instagram account. Hit the login button for Instagram in the automation. You'll be asked to sign in, and maybe give Zapier permission to access your posts and basic account info. This access is essential. It's how Zapier can read your newest Instagram posts and send the data over to Notion. If you're concerned about privacy, rest assured that Zapier only takes what's needed, and their connections are trusted by thousands of businesses and creators. Now do the exact same for Notion. Click Connect and sign in with your Notion credentials. If it asks for permission, allow Zapier to access your workspace. It needs this to create or update pages for you. I know permissions can seem intimidating, but connecting apps like this is really safe, and you're always in control of what gets shared. Once both apps are connected, double-check you're happy with the automation details. You can usually choose whether you want new Instagram posts saved to Notion, or maybe just certain tagged posts or captions. For this demo, we'll keep it basic, but remember, Zapier offers lots of customization if you ever want to get advanced later. After that, you're almost done. Just hit the Publish or Turn On button for your Zap. It might take a few beats to go live, but as soon as it does, your new automation will be working for you behind the scenes. From now on, whenever you post on Instagram, Zapier will automatically update your Notion workspace. It's like having a personal assistant who never gets tired or forgets to copy and paste. And that's it. Connecting Instagram to Notion truly is that simple with Zapier. Whether you're keeping a creative portfolio, archiving social campaigns, or just organizing your digital life, this integration is a real time saver. If you have any questions or need a hand with advanced settings, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.